I'm under no illusion that any of the photos I'm about to take are any good whatsoever. I've got the Nikon Zf and my dad's old 50mm lens with an adapter on this thing, and it's one of the reasons I love the Zf so much is because it's a full frame retro style camera, and it just fits the old retro lenses perfectly, right? I mean, 50mm is 50mm on this thing, and that's pretty exciting. So let's go see what we can do. I'm just getting some photography therapy, walking around, taking photos, and enjoying the beautiful, beautiful, just before spring afternoon. These old lenses are pretty awesome as far as giving you imperfections, because I honestly think we're in a place with photography right now where all modern cameras are just absolutely stunning, especially for the stuff I shoot. Cell phones are stunning. It's all crazy. And I remember the days of trying to get clinical perfection, doing noise reduction all the time, and now I'm just chasing character and stuff to make my photos a little bit more interesting. And now that the sun's just blaring in my eyes, and the phone's in my face, that's when I stop to talk.